Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with project shares from this time my channel doing prompts on Scrap It Thursday with Mrs. Gigi. But this on the 15th, I had Teresa's Crafts with me, Crafts by Teresa with me. And I will try to link her channel down below. And what we did was 2 rounds of prompts. And on the first round, I'm going to tell you what it is. We had circles, insect, flower, lace, a border, pink paint, and an image. So, first thing, circles. My circles are underneath my butterfly. You can see that there. Then we had an insect, which I chose a butterfly. Then we had flowers, which I drew down here. And then we had the lace, which is here. My border, I used washi tape. Pink paint, I used some pink wax over here that I got from Spectrum Art. And my image is over here. It's a napkin. So that's the first one. Okay. And on my second one, we had squares, blue, stamp, a postage stamp, a button, an animal, hearts, and text. Okay. So for that, the first one was squares. So I drew some square boxes. Next was blue, which I used eyeshadow for the blue. A postage stamp, which I drew over here in the corner and put a little flower in it and put 0.45 cent. I have my buttons. My animal is a little teddy bear here. Then I have my hearts. And then for my text, I wrote different words all over my card. Okay, so that's that one. And here is this one. So that's round 1 and 2 for July 15th on Scrap It Thursday. So I will say this in closing. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And please be kind, be caring, be safe, stay safe. Hugs and kisses to everyone. And I will see you all on the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, Crafty Angels.